Query number 22, wherein the mother have asked that her child is 12 years and is losing interest in studies, concentration, and finding it difficult to cope with the higher levels of uh, education which is happening in the school and at home. So my suggestion is that it's maybe he has like been keeping it all inside all these years. Maybe he has been going through it for from long time, the struggle of understanding and facing difficulty in coping the studies, and it is coming out now he's losing concentration, he's losing that patience to where this kind of education academics is going on. So I would suggest that we as a person, like the teacher, the person who is supporting him, we also slow down a little bit and we try to understand what is happening, what it is leading to. So my suggestion is, even though I'm not a special educator or something related to that, but my suggestion is that try to talk to the special educator or anyone who is supporting him in this for the studies, and try to make it easy, make it fun, and put some fun element, try to find out what all his interest areas are, and try to relate his studies to the interest areas and see. I'm sorry. So try to give experience, whatever you are teaching, whatever you are doing, give some real time experience with that, and try to connect it to the real world and try to do things. So become little let's work on our creativity, how we can make it fun for him, so that he gains his interest back in studies and he tries to show in like his own motivation to do it, to learn new things. So let's create some fun for him. I'm sure that he might be have some interest areas, specific interest areas, and we can connect that to studies and do it. So I hope it is helping you. Also take suggestions from special educators, whoever you know, and try to talk to them and see if you find more solutions to this. But for me, I have seen, if I understand children better, then what I have observed is, it is not that they don't want to do things, it is just that they don't find meaning in it, and they want some mean, like they want to feel it. Whatever they do, they want to understand it and do it. They don't want to simply do it. And especially in our children, it happens that they want meaning. I mean, they look for meaning in life. They cannot blankly do something just because someone is telling them to do. I don't know how many of you have seen this happening, but I have seen this happening with many children who they want to do something because they want to like enjoy it, get feel motivated to do it. They will not blankly do everything what we say them to do. So please try to take a help of a special educator also, so you will get more ideas what we can, how you can figure it out. And if you have anything else which you want to ask, please ask me, no issues. Please put up a question in the FAQ section of this channel, and you can ask. Thank you.